Okay, welcome back. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Modende. In this video tutorial series, we are going to learn about machine learning. We'll learn about the meaning of machine learning. We will learn about two confusing terms in machine learning, that is algorithm versus model. I will learn the difference or relationship between machine learning and artificial intelligence. Then the last part to learn will be algorithms of supervised machine learning like logistic regression, random forest, naive Bayes. So make sure you don't miss all video series about machine learning. In learning about machine learning, I'll use a certain book called Introduction to Machine Learning. This book is owned by Motec and written by Noel Moses Modende. As you can see me, I'm the author of this book. This book is called Introduction to Machine Learning. As you can see here, Motec is the owner of this book, and I'm the author of this book. As I introduced my name, I'm Noel Moses Modende. This is Motec, location Tanzania. So this is the book I'll use. There are many concepts driven or taken from this book. So make sure you have this book. Below of this video, I'll provide a link so you can get this book by using scribd.com, where Motec have their account, or you can get by using slideshare.com. So I'll provide it one link from scribd.com, and the second link will be from SlideShare. So these are the samples of algorithm, classification algorithm from supervised machine learning. So we'll base about supervised machine learning algorithm. So don't miss. Make sure you have all the video series of this course. So a good trick to get all video is to go at our playlist and find a playlist named machine learning. So don't miss. In the next video, we'll learn about introduction or the meaning of machine learning. So this is just the introduction. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I insist you do not forget to subscribe, because it takes us much resource in case of money, time, and energy to bring this service for you. But Motec know the importance of technology to the people, so Motec will not stop. Motec will never stop to bring this service for you, but show your support, show your appreciation, show your love for our work. Give us feedback. Feedback is very necessary for the improvement of work, so we need your feedback. Put comment down and we will review all the comments. Then improvement on our service will be made. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Modende, FMD by Moses. Thank you for watching.